in that very moment. Remember this person and how they helped you without asking for anything in return. Perhaps you remember saying to them, "Thank you." A smile coming across your face. Maybe even a big hug between the two of you. Wonderful. Now imagine yourself helping someone in your future. Maybe you know someone right now who could use a little help. Allow for your imagination to take you to helping many people in your town, in your own ways, taking your gifts and your talents and sharing them with others. Imagine now 5 years in the future where you are helping many people, using your skills and your unconditional love. Notice how you feel in this moment 5 years in the future. Feel an appreciation, for you have blessed the lives of many people who will never forget you and what you did for them. Take a big, deep breath in and open your eyes, excited to go help the next person on your life journey.